Hello, my name is Paula Gomez. Today I'm going to make a tech support call because I have a problem with my Wi-Fi connection. Let's start. Hello, is this tech support? I'm having a problem with my Wi-Fi. It suddenly stopped working. Can you tell me what I should do? Hi, I'll be happy to help first. Can you tell me if the modem and router are plugged in and turned on? Yes, they are both plugged in. But there is no internet. Did you know what could be causing the issue? Let's see. Did you try unplugging the router and plugging it back after 30 seconds? Yes, I already did that, but nothing changed. Could you explain what else I can try? Sure. Can you check if others devices in your house can connect to the Wi-Fi? Also, can you tell me what lights are on the router? Only the power light is on. The internet light is off. Does that mean there's no signal? Yes. It probably means your internet service is down. Can you call your internet provider to ask if there's no dish? Oh no, I didn't think about that. Can you tell me where I can find their contact number? Of course. You can find it on your bill or on the company's website. Would you like me to send it to by email? Yes, please. That will be great. Thank you so much. That was my test support call. I use phrasal verbs like plug in, turn on, and check out. I also ask questions like, can you tell me and do you know? Thank you for watching. Bye.